Hello guys, welcome back to George Basic Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to transfer money from Payactiv Card to your Cash App. First of all, you need to open your Cash App. Then you need to click your profile icon in the top right. Scroll a little bit down and choose Linked Banks. Then click this plus icon right here and you need to enter your Payactiv card information. You need to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code. So once you will fill all of the necessary gaps, you need to click link card in the bottom right, this green button right here, and you will link your card to your Cash App. So to deposit money from Payactiv card, you need to go to the home page of your Cash App, click the bank icon in the bottom left, click add money, add instantly, select the amount, click continue, and choose the Payactiv card from the list, guys. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.